Are you always looking for your equipment, wondering when they were last checked out, serviced, or returned? Now imagine if managing your equipment was easy. With Itefy, you can always know the status, location, and utilization of each tool, asset, and equipment in your inventory with the touch of a button. Itefy is the customized equipment database that allows you to make the most of your tools and fixed assets. Quickly make reservations. Prioritize scheduling. And make checkouts a breeze. You can even print QR code labels that are scanned for convenient inventorying. Not sure when your equipment was last sent to maintenance? Just scan the QR code and our equipment maintenance software can help you schedule maintenance and help your tools last longer. Itefy helps you keep track of your equipment so you won't lose your valuable assets ever again. And with automatic alerts and upcoming notifications, you can stay on top of your asset management. Upgrade your equipment management process with Itefy. Sign up for a free 14-day trial to discover how Itefy can help your business today.